Good evening to all. My name is Meenakshi. I am from Gurgaon College of Engineering, Gurgaon. My topic is Bayes algorithm or degree constant minimum spanning tree problem. I have proposed an approach based on the Bayes algorithm procedure to handle the degree constant problem of the spanning trees. The problem of identifying a minimum spanning tree of a connected undirected graph is a classical combinatorial optimization problem which can be solved in polynomial time by greedy heuristics like Kruskal's and Prim's. In my paper, I have used Kruskal's algorithm. Now, the abstract: a set of 2-degree spanning trees are extracted from the graph and supplied to the proposed algorithm. A Bayes algorithm based approach is carried out to optimize the spanning trees based on their cost values. The fitness function points the cost effective spanning tree from the set of trees and it is considered as the final result. The main objective is to handle the cost and time for optimizing the degree constraint spanning tree. Thus, most work on this problem focus on heuristics that can find good solution in a reasonable amount of time. Degree constraint problem. Degree constraint minimum spanning tree is a special case of minimum spanning tree problem, which is concerned with finding a spanning tree of a non-negative edge weighted graph such that all nodes satisfying degree restrictions and total edge length is minimum. The degree constraint problem is known to be NP hard. It is an important problem in operational research. Now, the optimization. Bayes algorithm is used to optimize the spanning tree based on their cost values. The Bayes algorithm is an optimization algorithm inspired by the natural foraging behavior of honeybees to find the optimal solution. Now, Bayes algorithm. We will firstly initialize the population P with random solutions, then evaluate the fitness of the population while stopping criteria not met. We form the new population. In step 3, we select sites for neighborhood search. After that, recruit n number of bees for selected sites. In step 5 and 6, the algorithm conducts searches in the neighborhood of the selected sites, assigning more bees to search near to the best E sites. The bees can be selected directly according to the fitness associated with the sites they are visiting. The bee with the highest fitness will be selected to form the next bee population. Here, this restriction is to reduce the number of points to be explored. But this restriction is not in nature. These steps repeated until a stopping criteria met. At the end of each iteration, the colony will have two parts to its new population. First one is that those were the fittest representative from a patch, and the second one for those that have been sent out randomly. Now my algorithm is this is the algorithm I have used in my paper to find the minimum shortest path with minimum cost and minimum time. Through tree traversal, we are extracting our graph for obtaining the spanning tree, which are considered as input. Here, the Kruskal's algorithm is used to get our spanning trees. A graph G is considered with edges W and vertices V. First, E is initialized to the empty set and a random ordering of all edges in E is determined. Edges W, Ij is included in E. If it does not violate the degree constraint in vertices I and J and these vertices are not connected with other edges in E, procedure terminated when a complete spanning tree has been built. The extracted spanning trees are considered as the input to the optimization phase. In step 7, the 2 degrees spanning trees are initialized by allocating a randomly position to every spanning tree in the set. Once the positions are set for the spanning tree randomly, then the fitness position of each spanning tree has to be calculated. A fitness function is derived for the calculation of the fitness of each spanning trees. The fitness of spanning tree SI is defined as the sum of weights of the edges between the initial vertex V1 to final vertex Vx. Thus, each spanning tree in the set is allocated with a position and fitness. In step 10, new position has to be calculated for the spanning, which we will point the best fit spanning tree, that is the spanning tree with the highest fitness. Each spanning trees are selected and their positions are updated according to the above plotted equation. Algorithm defines a position update process which will ensure the best position of the spanning tree. The position of the particular spanning tree is calculated according to the neighborhood spanning tree. In this equation, P new is the updated position from the existing position P old, and neighboring position P neighbor. The value phi is random value between 0 and 1. The position of spanning tree are updated iteratively. Each spanning tree are selected and their position is updated, and then we compare the fitness. If value of new fitness is greater than the old fitness, we swaps the old position with the new position and repeat the step until stopping criteria met. And finally, in step 4, we will stop. Now, this is the fitness comparison diagram which shows the comparison of fitness and position update values. All the new position with better fitness are replaced with existing one. This exploration process of the spanning tree ensures the best fit MST from the graph. This comparison is for the cost evaluation. According to the proposed approach, the higher the cost, the lower the fitness, as shown in my diagram. Now, the results and evaluation. The results showed that the proposed approach has produced cost-effective and time-effective results. The time required for extracting minimum spanning tree under variable parameter like node, range and iterations is analyzed for assessing the efficiency of the proposed approach. The different time deviation while the iterations and nodes values are varied are recorded in different graphs. So the final conclusion of my paper is, I have proposed an approach based on the Bayes algorithm procedure to handle the degree constant problem of the spanning trees. The fitness function points the cost-effective spanning tree from the set of trees considered as the final result produces the minimum cost spanning tree. The futuristic enhancement of the proposed approach can be provided by the use of different optimization and soft computing techniques. These are the references I have used in my paper. Thanks for your valuable time.